So I don't have a budget, I don't have a spreadsheet, I don't have categories, I don't have £300 for food, £100 for this, nothing. And for a personal finance channel, I know that that probably sounds a bit strange because budgeting is usually seen as step one, but I'm going to be completely honest, I've never really done it. And in this video, I want to explain why that is, what I actually do instead, and whether I'm getting this completely wrong, because this is not a you should do this video. It's certainly not financial advice for you. It's just me documenting what I've been doing with my own real money. So for a bit of context, now I've worked pretty much my whole adult life, so paper rounds, cleaning kennels, then retail, office work and so on. My partner, the same. She's worked pretty much her whole adult life, so that's a very lucky position to be in, and it's just meant that we've always had some sort of income coming in. Sure, it's fluctuated over the years, but we've always had a consistent stream of income. Combined with that, we've also lived within our means for that entire time, so we've never really stretched ourselves, we've never really got into debt, we've never been in that situation where we're like, bills aren't getting paid or we don't know where the money's coming from for something. And I know that's an incredibly lucky position to be in, and I know that not everybody has that, but that's the situation I've been in. And it is because of that I've never really felt like I've needed a budget. There's never been a moment where I've thought, oh no, where's all the money gone, or I can't cover this. It's always just been earn money, spend less than you earn, save or invest the rest, and that's kind of been enough to get by. Now, I know that that is not a perfect strategy, it's not optimized, but it is enough, or it has been enough. Now, if it isn't already clear enough, just to reiterate, I am not saying that this is the best way to do it. In fact, part of me thinks, especially as I'm saying it out loud, that I probably should budget. I'm sure there are inefficiencies, I'm sure there's money that I'm wasting, things that I don't even realise that I'm spending on, you know, subscriptions perhaps, those sorts of things, areas I could tighten up on. So if I actually tracked everything, I'm sure that I could be better off. So this isn't a don't budget video, it's just this is what I've been doing so far. It's what I do on this channel. I'm sharing my real journey, and that's what it's been like. So instead of a formal written or spreadsheet budget, I've basically just built a few habits over time, so nothing particularly complicated, just things that guide how and when I spend money. And that's through a series of habits. So the first habit I come across or find myself having is that I delay purchases. If I want to buy something big or expensive, then I generally don't buy it straight away. I think about it for a few days, I research it, I compare it to other things, and lots of the time I don't end up buying that thing. And that one habit on its own probably saves me more money than any spreadsheet ever could. The second habit is a bit more easier to measure. It's no consumer debt, so I don't put anything on credit cards, no Klarna, no spread the cost. If I don't have the money there and then I don't buy it, which does just remove a lot of bad decisions before they even happen. And the third one, although we didn't have a written budget, we have always saved up for things, so this is probably the bit that sits somewhere in the middle, because it's not a specific budget, like I'm not looking at it month to month, but if we're looking at, okay, we want to, for example, have a new bathroom or go on a holiday, we do save up for those things. So putting a set amount of money aside per month, knowing that you've got an end goal to get to, doesn't form the overarching strategy for our month-to-month finances, but definitely for those individual things that we identify. So it's not like I'm just spending money and hoping for the best. There is intention there, it's just not written down on a strict monthly plan. And then I think there's just the way that we live life in general. We don't go on loads of fancy holidays. I drive a £500, 271,000 mile ex-taxi that you might have seen on this channel. We're just not big spenders generally, and that's not because we're forcing it, it's just how we are. I think we naturally just keep things under control. The other habit is what you do with money left over, and that is that even prior to me starting this channel and prior to me starting my stock investing journey, it's always been to save it, it's not to find a purpose to spend it. And I think that sort of thing, even if it's only a few pounds a month or a small amount of money, that adds up when that is your mindset, that I've got some money left over. The knee-jerk reaction isn't to what can I spend it on, it's oh, I'll put it somewhere for, you know, a rainy day. And this video and this story is actually a big part of what this channel is about. I'm not sat here trying to be or come across like somebody who's got it all figured out. I'm not a millionaire, I'm not retired, I've not got a supercar on the drive, I'm not telling you what the perfect system is, I'm not selling you a course, I'm just a guy in his mid-30s like trying to get organized financially and documenting it as I go. And this bit that you're seeing right now is the messy bit in the middle where some things make sense and some things probably don't. And I'm just figuring it out in real time. And this is one of those areas where I genuinely think that I might revisit this in the future, because maybe budgeting would improve things. But if I just jumped to that and made a video about that, then I'm just like every other finance bro that seems to have their financial life completely mapped out. And that's not the case. So I want to take you on the ride from here and involve you in that journey. Now, I do follow a lot of finance creators and, follow a lot of financial videos, that sort of thing. And I've seen that there are a lot of situations where budgeting makes total sense. People perhaps trying to get out of debt or struggling to cover bills, or you just don't know where your money is going. For those things, I think a budget is probably essential. Whereas for me, I've just kind of got away with it so far. And that doesn't mean it's optimal, but it has worked up to yet. So yeah, I don't budget, but I also don't wing it either. I'm somewhere in the middle. And honestly, I don't know if it's the right approach long term. So I would be really interested to hear, do you budget, or are you more like me where you perhaps just follow some principles? And if you do budget, am I missing something obvious here? Am I leaving some, I don't know, huge amounts of money on the table that I could be scooping up? Please do let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.